Have you ever walked through your garden and noticed a plant that everyone else ignores, even pulls out as a weed, and thought to yourself, what if this plant is hiding something amazing? Today, we are going to talk about purslane, a seemingly ordinary plant that has been overlooked for centuries, but is one of the most powerful allies your garden can have. This plant doesn't just grow when nothing else will. It actively revives dead soil, enhances nutrients, and helps other plants thrive around it, all without fertilizers or chemicals. Purslane might look simple at first glance, with its small green leaves and low-growing stems, but every part of it is designed to survive in tough conditions. That resilience is exactly why it's so effective at improving soil. The roots penetrate deep, breaking up compacted layers, increasing aeration, and helping water infiltrate evenly. Over time, this creates a natural environment where microbes, worms, and beneficial fungi can flourish, turning soil that once seemed useless into a living, breathing ecosystem. The leaves of purslane are not only edible, but packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins that can support human health as well. Imagine a plant that feeds your body and your soil at the same time. In many traditional cultures, this plant was prized not only for its nutritional value, but also for its ability to revitalize neglected farmland, a knowledge that has been slowly forgotten over the years. When planted strategically, purslane works as a ground cover that protects the soil from the harsh sun, preventing evaporation and keeping the soil moist. Its small, succulent leaves retain water, reducing the need for frequent irrigation and helping even small or dry plots of land become productive again. And the best part is that purslane is incredibly low. Unlike other plants that require constant attention or fertilizer, purslane thrives almost anywhere, making it perfect for urban gardens, small backyard plots, or larger farm areas that have suffered from poor soil management. One of the most surprising aspects of purslane is how quickly it can change the structure and life of your soil. Areas that once were hard, cracked, and barren begin to soften and develop a rich, dark color as organic matter accumulates naturally. You can literally watch the soil come back to life as leaves fall, decompose, and feed the microorganisms below. This process not only benefits purslane, but also prepares the soil for other crops, increasing your overall garden productivity without relying on chemical inputs. Another incredible benefit is the plant's role in nutrient cycling. Purslane draws minerals from deeper layers of the soil and concentrates them in its leaves. As the leaves naturally decompose, these nutrients are returned to the topsoil, making them more accessible for other plants. It's a self-sustaining system that works continuously, quietly improving the garden ecosystem day by day, even in areas that seem depleted or dry for traditional vegetables. Purslane establishes itself quickly and begins this transformation almost immediately. People often underestimate the impact of such a humble plant because it doesn't look impressive at first. But when you observe it closely, you realize that purslane is like a silent gardener, preparing the soil, feeding it, and ensuring that life returns even where it once seemed impossible. Its adaptability makes it a perfect plant for experimentation as well. You can plant it in small patches, see how your soil responds, and gradually expand its coverage to maximize benefits. From a nutritional perspective, purslane is a hidden powerhouse. Its omega-3 content rivals that of salmon, providing essential fatty acids that support heart and brain health. The leaves can be eaten raw in salads, lightly sautéed, or incorporated into soups and smoothies. Unlike some other superfoods that are expensive or hard to find, purslane grows almost anywhere and reproduces, giving gardeners a continuous supply of nutrient-rich leaves throughout the growing season. Beyond the garden and kitchen, purslane also offers insights into how we interact with nature. It teaches patience, observation, and respect for what grows naturally. Many modern gardeners rush to fix their soil with fertilizers and chemicals, often ignoring the plants that are already capable of repairing and nurturing the land themselves. Purslane reminds us that sometimes the best solutions are the simplest, the ones that have been overlooked for generations. If you're cultivating a garden or trying to revive neglected soil, purslane can be your starting point. Planted in areas that struggle Watch how it spreads and covers the ground. And notice how the soil begins to retain moisture, improve in texture, and gain fertility. This plant creates a microenvironment that encourages beneficial organisms, reduces erosion, and eventually allows other vegetables and herbs to thrive in areas that previously failed. And here's an extra tip that few people know. The timing of harvesting purslane matters. If you harvest leaves while they're young and tender, you get maximum omega-3 content and better flavor, while leaving some leaves and stems to decompose naturally contributes even more to soil health. It's a balance that allows you to feed both your body and your soil simultaneously. By now, you may be realizing that purslane isn't just a weed. It's a strategic plant, a soil healer, and a nutritional powerhouse, all in one. Integrating it into your garden isn't just about adding another edible plant. It's about creating a resilient ecosystem that supports all other plants around it. Its role in natural pest management, soil improvement, and continuous nutrient cycling is something that synthetic fertilizers or chemical solutions can rarely replicate. As we explore more about purslane in the next section, I'll show you practical ways to integrate it into your garden, how to maximize its benefits for soil regeneration, and how to use it in meals to boost your health. You'll discover that with a little attention and understanding, a plant once overlooked can transform your entire gardening experience. Now that you understand the incredible potential of purslane, it's time to explore how to make the most of it in your garden and in your diet. The first step is understanding the right way to plant and maintain it. Purslane thrives in almost any soil, but for the best results, select areas that have been struggling, areas where other plants failed. Loosen the soil lightly, sprinkle some compost if available, and plant the seeds or small cuttings within days. You'll see green shoots appearing, slowly covering the ground like a natural carpet. One of the key secrets to keeping purslane healthy is allowing it to grow naturally without Take some leaves for your salads or meals, but leave enough behind to let the plant continue working its magic on the soil. This creates a cycle of regeneration. The plant nourishes itself, your soil, and you. Over time, this method can turn even the most depleted patches into productive areas, ready for other vegetables, herbs, or flowers to grow alongside purslane. Another important point is understanding how purslane interacts with other plants. It is an excellent companion plant. Its broad leaves shade the soil, reducing evaporation, while its roots improve structure and nutrient availability. Planted near crops that need consistent moisture or struggle with nutrient-poor soil, and you'll notice a difference in growth and resilience. Even pests are less likely to damage neighboring plants because purslane creates a healthier microecosystem where beneficial insects thrive. Beyond gardening, purslane is a nutritional powerhouse. Incorporating it into your diet can bring omega-3 magnesium, potassium, and vitamins A, C, and E, which support heart, brain, and overall health. Young leaves are tender and slightly tangy, perfect for salads, sandwiches, or smoothies. Lightly sautéed, they make an excellent side dish, keeping most nutrients intact. Unlike supplements or exotic superfoods, purslane is accessible, easy to grow, and renewable, giving you a continuous supply from your own garden. For gardeners who want to maximize their soil's productivity, here's a practical trick. Plant purslane in patches or rows along the edges of your beds. As it grows, allow it to spread naturally and occasionally chop some stems to scatter back onto the soil. This simple method creates a mulch-like effect, feeding the soil, retaining moisture, and continuously cycling nutrients. It's a natural fertilizer that saves time, effort, and money while improving the health of your garden. Now, let's talk about timing. Purslane grows quickly, and harvesting at the right stage ensures maximum nutritional value. Leaves that are too old become slightly tough and lose some of their omega-3 content. The best time to harvest is when the leaves are young, tender, and vibrant green. Take some for immediate use and leave some behind to maintain the soil's health. This approach ensures that you and your garden benefit simultaneously, creating a sustainable loop of nourishment. As your garden begins to recover, you'll notice that purslane does more than just improve soil. it enhances the growth of surrounding plants. Tomatoes, peppers, herbs, and leafy greens all respond positively when planted near the soil stays moist longer, nutrients are more available, and plants appear healthier and more resilient. Many gardeners report seeing higher yields with less effort simply by letting porcelain do its work quietly in the background. And here's a tip many people don't know. Porcelain can also help prevent erosion. Its spreading habit and dense ground coverage protect bare soil from heavy rain and wind. In areas prone to drying or water runoff, porcelain acts like a natural barrier, holding the soil together while improving its structure over time. By now, you might be thinking this sounds almost too good to be true. A plant that feeds you, fixes your soil, boosts your other crops, and prevents erosion. But porcelain has been used this way for centuries, long before chemical fertilizers or modern gardening techniques existed. It's a plant that was once highly valued, forgotten, and now rediscovered by those willing to observe and work with nature. Before we finish, here's a final tip to unlock the full potential of porcelain in your garden. Create small clusters around problem areas, water lightly, and let it spread naturally. Avoid overmanaging it. The beauty of porcelain is in its resilience and ability to self-regulate, working quietly while you focus on other aspects of your garden. And if you combine it with companion planting, your garden becomes an ecosystem where each plant supports the others. Healthier soil, better growth, and more nutritious harvests. Finally, if you want to get the most out of porcelain, make it part of your daily or weekly meals, try adding fresh leaves to salads, mixing them in smoothies, or lightly cooking them with olive oil and garlic. Not only do you get a rich source of omega, but you also reinforce the connection between healthy soil and healthy food, seeing the impact of your efforts from the ground up. So, now that you've learned about this incredible plant, here's what you should do next. Start observing your garden. Identify areas where the soil struggles and plant porcelain there. Watch the soil revive. Enjoy a continuous supply of nutrient-rich leaves, and see how your other plants thrive alongside it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this secret with other gardeners who want to improve their soil and nutrition naturally. Remember, the simplest solutions are often the most overlooked. Porcelain is not just a plant, it's a garden transformer, a superfood, and a soil healer, all in one. Give it a chance, and your garden and your health will thank you. As you continue to work with porcelain in your garden, you'll start noticing subtle changes that may seem almost magical. Not only does it improve soil structure, but it also encourages beneficial organisms to flourish beneath the surface. Earthworms, microbe colonies, and fungi respond positively to the improved environment, creating a network that continuously supports plant growth. This is why porcelain is considered a foundation plant. It doesn't just benefit itself. It creates conditions for an entire garden ecosystem to thrive. One of the fascinating aspects of porcelain is its adaptability. Whether you're dealing with sandy clay-heavy or compacted soil, porcelain manages to grow, spread, and begin the process of natural soil improvement. In arid regions, its succulent leaves help retain moisture in the soil, acting as a living mulch, which reduces the frequency of watering. Even in nutrient-poor plots, the plant absorbs minerals from deeper layers of soil and gradually cycles them back into the topsoil. This makes it a perfect solution for gardens where conventional fertilizers are expensive or impractical. If you've ever struggled with soil that seems dead or unproductive, porcelain offers a natural, sustainable alternative. By planting it strategically, allowing it to grow, and occasionally harvesting its tender leaves, you create a cycle of continuous improvement. The plant's decomposing leaves act like a slow-release fertilizer, and its roots help create air channels that improve drainage and water absorption. Over time, areas of soil that once resisted any planting become rich, soft, and fertile enough to support even delicate crops like lettuce, spinach, or herbs. Beyond soil, porcelain is a nutritional powerhouse. Its leaves are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are rare in plants and usually associated with fatty fish like salmon. This makes it a remarkable addition to a plant-based diet, especially for people seeking heart-healthy and anti-inflammatory foods. In addition to omega-3, purslane contains vitamins A, C, and E, as well as magnesium, potassium, and iron. Incorporating it into your meals is simple. Toss fresh leaves into salads, blend them into smoothies, or lightly saute them with olive oil and garlic. The leaves are tender, slightly tangy, and surprisingly versatile in cooking. One advanced gardening technique is companion planting with purslane. Because it thrives where other plants struggle, purslane can act as a protective ground cover for more delicate crops. Plant it alongside tomatoes, peppers, or eggplants, and you'll notice a difference in growth and resilience. Its presence helps retain soil moisture, moderates temperature extremes, and even attracts beneficial insects that reduce pest pressure naturally. This creates a self-sustaining garden system where each plant supports the other, reducing the need for chemical interventions. For gardeners interested in permaculture or sustainable farming, purslane is an essential plant. Its ability to regenerate soil naturally and support biodiversity makes it a cornerstone for any high-yield garden. In addition to traditional planting, purslane can also be used in raised beds, container gardens, or rooftop gardens, making it accessible to urban gardeners. Its adaptability and low maintenance requirements allow you to focus on other crops, while silently works to improve your soil. Another interesting aspect is the plant's resilience to pests and disease. Because purslane grows vigorously, it can outcompete weeds, reducing the need for manual weeding. It's naturally resistant to many common garden pests, which means it can act as a buffer plant, protecting more vulnerable vegetables nearby. By simply allowing it to grow, you create a microclimate that supports plant health and reduces stress on the entire garden ecosystem. Timing and care are crucial to maximizing both soil and nutritional benefits. Young purslane leaves have the highest concentration of omega-3 and vitamins, so it's best to harvest them regularly while leaving enough foliage to continue nourishing the soil. Older leaves can be left to decompose naturally, feeding the microbes below and improving soil fertility. This balance allows the plant to work continuously, benefiting both the gardener and the soil. In addition to soil and nutrition, purslane has a fascinating history. Ancient civilizations recognized its value long before modern agriculture existed. It was prized not only for its medicinal and nutritional qualities, but also for its ability to restore exhausted fields. Today, rediscovering purslane in our gardens connects us to this traditional knowledge, reminding us that sometimes the simplest plants are the most powerful tools we have for sustainable living. For gardeners seeking maximum yield, consider integrating purslane into a rotation system. Plant it in areas after harvesting main crops, and let it act as a cover crop. Its growth will suppress weeds, enhance soil structure, and retain moisture. By the next planting season, the soil will be richer, more fertile, and ready to produce healthier vegetables with less effort. This strategy demonstrates how purslane can be a cornerstone plant in regenerative gardening practices. Finally, don't forget the human benefits. Eating purslane directly connects you to the garden's cycle of life. Every leaf you consume is a concentration of nutrients pulled from the soil, showing the remarkable relationship between soil health and human health. By embracing purslane, you're not just improving your garden, you're improving your diet, your well-being, and the sustainability of your environment. So here's your action plan. Find a spot in your garden that struggles, plant purslane, and observe. Let it grow, protect the soil, and start harvesting leaves for your meals. Over time, watch as the soil becomes soft, nutrient-rich, and ready to support all your favorite vegetables. This plant, once overlooked, can truly transform your garden, your soil, and your life. And if you're enjoying these gardening secrets, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share these tips with friends and family who want to bring life back to their gardens naturally. Remember, the most powerful solutions are often hidden in plain sight, and purslane is the perfect example.